So earnings season is the best season for an active trader to grow his account. Not only to be long all the time, but you also need to learn to short the shares, buy the puts. You need to find those A+ short setups which can really provide you really good return. The cloud system will tell you when to short. The daily chart will tell you when to short. The weekly chart will tell you when to short. Some of the really good trades that we had today in the earnings season. First of all, you have to make a plan. So we had a plan for EXPE, we had a plan for XYZ, we had a plan for TTD, for ACAM. I usually highlight these plays as red, and some of them will trigger, some of them will not trigger. But based upon the trigger, if I see something, I guide my traders. So let's look at a few of these examples, especially one of my favorite setup, the gap and crap setup. So the first one we're going to look at is XYZ, the previously squared. So EPS miss, revenue miss, raises gross profit, price target raised by a bunch of the banks. But I had a plan that we're going to gap and crap it under 82 and long over it. As soon as the market opened, XYZ faded all day. It faded from $82 to $74. What did I say in the pre-market? Gap and crap under 82. Breaking the clouds, breaking the pre-market level right here, 82. Buy the shorts, buy the puts, sell short, put your stops 50-60 cents and take a short. That's why I told the traders XYZ short. It's a gap and crap. Your first target is 78. The MTF cloud. Cover some into 10 a.m. Do not cover fully, because that's how you're going to grow your account with huge trades. And then we hit the second MTF and it was still heavy. I told the traders it's still heavy, and then it finally flushed and I told the traders we can close it all. Now from $82 all the way to 73, almost 8 to 9 per share profit. Even if you risk $1,000, you could make 7 grand, 8 grand there. Also the options went 300-400%. That's how you do it. Gap and crap setup. The second setup, EXPE, same. Cautious of the gap and crap under 212, long over 217, 221 is breakout. So we have a plan for both sides, long or short. As soon as it opens, I see it's breaking the Ripster 3450 cloud. It's breaking that pre-market level that I gave. You have to short it. You have to watch the pops. You have to short it right away. Even if you don't short that one, you go to smaller time frame, you get a pop, you buy the puts, and you see the gap fill. You draw the Fibonacci's if you have to, from the lows to the highs, which gives you some targets as well. EXPE, 4-hour gap and crap, also faded all the way from 212 all the way to 194, and then it also faded to 192. So you could easily make over $15 per share profit with this short, depending on where you enter. That's how, guys, you can trade in the earnings season. Identify if the stock is going to run or it's going to short. There were many other trades in the community today. There was just an epic amount of trades this earnings season. Look at AKAM. AKM was a double MTF short. You should not even think about longing it. It's a short. MTF1, MTF2, 1-hour MTF short. I said short under the MTF clouds, bearish bias, double MTF above. I already had a bearish bias and it had double MTF because AKM did the same thing in previous earnings. And what did TTD do? Now TTD did the same thing in the last earnings. Everybody was expecting, oh, maybe it's too low, but no, it was extended to the downside, but we still had a bearish bias. Cautious of the curls, we still have the bearish bias on the pops. And as soon as you see the TTD is heavy, you see it flushed in the first 10 minutes, you see the pop, you short it from $56 all the way to $53, and once it curled over the clouds, you get out long. So guys, this is how you can trade the short setups with the Ripster EMA clouds, with the pre-market plan.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.